Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm basically going to be reinforcing the stinger on this truck. Right now, it's pretty loose, as you can see. Basically what I'm going to do is this right here is going to stick out like that, but it's going to have a piece welded in the bed, like a tube that goes up and then keeps this where the threads are right there and kind of reinforces the bed. And then on the sides it's going to have these plates welded to the stinger, and then basically just a nut welded to the bed, so it'll be like 3 bolts holding the whole thing on. But all the weight's going to be on the bed still, it's just going to be locating it, so none of this really has to hold any weight, so should be overkill. I'm going to go ahead and get started on finalizing the shape of these plates. I have them welded together right now so they come out the same size. I'll show you what I'm going to do on that. Okay, now that's the basic outline I needed. I'm gonna finish it up with a file. I have this really rough file. It takes off material really fast. Yeah, pretty close at this point. Pretty smooth. At this point I'm going to separate them. Alright, that's how these plates turned out. There's going to be a little gap. I'm trying to get full penetration, so it'll be a 2-pass weld. I'm going to bevel both sides. Now I'm about to cut this so that this will sit right, and then I'm going to weld the nut in the actual stinger. Okay, this is what I got so far. I'm about to weld these nuts on permanently. This isn't on completely, it's just I've got that washer welded on there good. After I weld these nuts on, I'll probably weld that on, and then I'll be able to put these tabs on the stinger itself, and then I'll be done pretty much. I'm gonna go ahead and weld those nuts and then I'll get back. Now they're welded on. Came out pretty good. Here's a close-up of this also. I gotta flatten that top with a file before I weld it on. And then there's that. Basically all I have to do now is follow this and then weld it on, and then those tabs are the last thing, and then I'm done. Alright, I got everything welded up. As you can see, I TIG welded everything. It was a real pain in the ass to get these ears on, but they're on. Whenever you have an angle like that, you really want a big cup. I didn't have one big enough, so it was a pain in the ass, but it ended up working. And as you can see, it's pretty solid. Does not move at all. I appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more on this truck. I'm gonna be posting a bunch of stuff, so just stay tuned for that.